Hello. Yeah. Hello. Today I'm going to explain about the cleaning the data. So how you can clean the data and you can just transpose the proper manner, and then you can just load that data and you can use after the cleaning, because cleaning is very important to the using the data with clearly. Okay, so let's start. First you need to just get data from different source. Whatever your source, just you can click on that source. Just I will get the data from the CSV, so that's why I click here, and you can see the browse function. Just I click that file and just click open. So there it will take some time, like some seconds, and data will be you can see now that data, and this is a preview of your data. So there is a two option. You can just load directly without the cleaning the data, and just if you want clean your data, so that you can click on the transform data. And I click on the transform data, and now it's load. Yeah, now you can see the Power Query editor. In a Power Query editor, this is a like ETL tools, you can say, and here you can just clean the data. Basically, in Power Query editor, there are multiple tab, and the every tabs are the having the multiples option. So we will discuss mostly a basic and the like important option in here, and rest of the option I will discuss later. So first I will discuss about first you I create a copy of the file, which one I will get from the CSV file. So basically just I will right click here in the table name. You can see the name of the table which I imported. So expert CSV2. Just I right click in the table name, and just you can see the duplicate. Here you can just copy, and you can delete, you can rename the name, and just you can just make a copy with the click on the duplicate. Just now I just clicking the duplicate. Here you go, you can see the two file is there, but with the same data. So just I use the second one for the cleaning, and just for first one I will just separate as it is. So just in a first thing, I would like to suggest that you can check the column heading with the number format. So here is you can see the heading of the every column: ID, job title, email address, and whatever. If you don't want this heading, so you can click on the like here you can just see the option use a first row as a header, and just I will click, so use header as a first row. Just I click here. Yeah, now you can see the first header name is in your data only. S- so just I know, but as of now I click on the first row as a header. Now you can see again. So I hope I'm explaining this thing that you are good in Excel, and you are having the knowledge in the Excel. So based on just I'm explaining the this thing. Mm. So now just yeah, first I right click on any column. Just I select any column, just and I right click on the column, so you can see the multiples of the option. First option is a copy. If you want to copy that file and just insert anywhere, so you can just do. And if you want to remove that column, so just I select another column, and just I remove that one. Yeah, just minute I down come down, yeah, here. So just I want to delete in the this column, yeah, this second last column. So just I will right click in that column, and just I will click on the remove. The that column has been removed. As of now you are I think it's gone. And now I just want to just copy this column in a first name last name, and just I will right click and just I duplicate column. I will click on the duplicate column. Now you can see the same name, but there is at the last copy only. So the data is having same, this date column and this column data is having same, but this is a replica of this column. And now just I selected column and right click in a remove duplicate option. You can see if you want to remove duplicate in a particular this column, first name last name column, so directly just you click on the remove duplicate. So here the every duplicate value will be deleted with the row. If any cells are having the duplicate value, so that row will be deleted. Again I just right click on the column and just you can see another option, remove error. Suppose if any error are having, sorry, any column are having any error, so you just if you directly click on the remove duplicate, so that column the error cells row has been deleted. I click here, but there is no any error, so that's why it's not there. Yeah, again I right click on there and just change type. You can see the change type 10 in a decimal number, fixed length, whole number, percentage, and many more options are there. I explain you. Suppose you can see ABC in a particular this column, first name and last name, and come to the first column and just you can see 1 2 3, because you can easily understand that 1 2 3 is a format of the number in a whole number, and the ABC is a format of the text. So because this column is in text format and the first column is in a whole number format. If you want to change the format of the your column, so you can click here and you can just convert as anything whatever you want. You can see text is a ABC, and if you want to convert any of the options you can click, and but as of now I don't want, just I directly come to the last option and I will just check here. Here new column, there is no anything, okay, fine. And suppose I want to delete these two column. Yeah, I want to shift this column, so directly I will just select, just I will left click on with the mouse or like your keyboard. Just I will move, I want to shift here, so directly I will drop here. I will drag from the any location and drop to the any location. Again just I do the same. I click on the first name last name heading and just I drag, and just you can see the black line. If you I will I want paste, you drag drop here, it will be there. And but I don't want here, but I want there, so I will click here. Yeah, now you can see that that column has been moved from one location to another location. Again just if I want to delete these two column, I will select these two column. So I will directly remove on click, so that two column will be deleted. But as of now I don't want, so I will select uh, suppose I want to select, so I select first and second and third, second and third, and again I right click and just you can see uh just minute, remove other column. You can see the remove other column which is not selected, that column will be deleted. I remove other column. You can see now the every column has been deleted excluding the selected column. Now just again I right click, sorry, again I right click on the column heading, and you can see the duplicate, remove duplicate already explained, change type, transform. So in a transform, just I explain you that if you want to convert in a lowercase uppercase, I think you are very aware that what the lowercase and uppercase. So directly I will click on the lowercase. So every you can see the email address has been converted in a lowercase. Again I click on the transform and just uppercase. Here you go, you can see the every word in a like uppercase. But if you don't want every letter in a uppercase, you want to first letter in a uppercase, so directly you can select that column and just right click, and you want to change transform and just capital each word. It's mean that it will if you are having the first name and last name, the first name first letter and last name first letter has been converted in a capital letter. Yeah, you can see now. Again, I right click, and if I want to split my data into the two columns, suppose this is a name, this is a name of any employee, and I want to convert this column into the first name and last name separate. So basically, I will do the right click the column name, and just you I will click on the split data, and I will click on the byte delimiter. So now you can see then one window is appear, and here is the some option you need to just check. First you can just I select or enter delimiter. First, if you want to split data based on the any of these option, so you can directly select that option only. But if you want to apart from the this option, you can just click on the custom and just you give that symbol or that number or whatever you want. But as of now, I will click on the space. Based on the space I want to split, and here there is a three option, but I will click on the o- each option because I want to everything from the space, from the first name last name and whatever the mid name is also there. If so, as of now I explain only the each, just I click on OK. Here you go. Now you can see the first name and the second name and the last name is there, name 1, name 2 and name 3. So by this method you can just split your data into the different column. And again, suppose I don't want a blank cell, I want to delete. If the any name 3 is having blank cell, I want to delete that row. So basically I will click filter here. By this is a filter symbol, I will click here. You can just so ascending, sort ascending and sort descending. And there is a another option, remove empty. If I will click on the remove empty, but it will not delete, I will click remove empty. You can see every empty cell has been deleted from here. Again I just click here, and here you can just do the filter also. If you want to just check the coordinator, yeah, you want to something this one only advisor, just click OK. Yeah, you will see the only specific option. But as of now I select all. Okay. Yeah, again just I right click on the this option, and just I want to replace, I want to replace something. Suppose I don't want a null name as a here in a blank cell, I want something else. Just I will right click and just I will click on the replace value. Now I click on just you can see that there is a two option. First one, value to find and replace with. In a value to find, I will put the value that which one I want to replace. I will put the null, and just replace with, I want to like a dash only, I don't want put a null as. I click OK. You can see every null value has been converted as a dash. In the same thing I will do in here in the call and the column name 2. I right click, replace value, replace null with the dash. Click OK. Same thing. Here you go. So by this method, you can just replace any number, anything by with the specific number or specific word. Again, I just right click and just you can see the remove error. So remove error is the option. Suppose if you are having any error in a particular column, so you can just directly just if you will click on the remove error, so that row has been deleted if any cell are having error. And now I just come to replace error. Also just replace error is the same part. If the any cell are having the error, so you can put anything instead of the replace. Suppose not found, you can just found and just click OK. But there is I think no any error, so here is not there, it will not be there. Not found, you can just check by this. Yeah, there is no any not found. So just I will click here and just text filter. Also if you want to filter with specific equal and specific thing, so you can use this filter also. And again I click select that column and just right click and group by. I come to the group by. Actually there is no any specific thing. Yeah, so but group now is a part of the, like I will select this one, this column, and just I will right click and select on the group by. I want to group the particular suppose this is a uh, department electrician electronic operator. I want to group this one, so I want a count. It will be group and I want to column count. What will be count will be rows. And I just click OK. Yeah, here you go. Now you can see the electrician 15, operator are 19, software are 26, laboratory are 16. So whatever actually one more thing is a very important, whatever steps I have did till now, so all steps are recorded here. You can see if I will remove the last one, group the row, I don't want this thing because there is no control jet option. So you can just if you want to go back one step, so yes you can just delete this one. Grouped rows already we have grouped. I will delete this one. You can see that your earlier is there. And also just I remove error, replace value, control z control z by this method is. Here you go. Okay, so this is a recorded things. Whatever you don't want you can just remove, and if you want you can keep. And again I just click on the any column and just right click, unpivot column and rename and move. Already I have just explained about the move. I click. Already I just explained about the rename, how you can rename your column. You can directly just double click here and just you can rename your column, whatever the like is the last name, enter. The column heading name has been changed again. But I think that mostly all option I have explained, excluding the unpivot column, because here is an unpivot option I will explain you later. Till here I hope everything you have understand. If you are having any doubts, so please let me know. Now yeah,